Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to download the Windows 10 or Windows 11 ISO image, or whichever version is currently available. In order to create our own ISO image and format our computers, the first thing we need to do is visit the website that I will link in the video description. Once there, you will find two options: download to upgrade your Windows or download to create an ISO image. For this tutorial, we will select the tool to create our own ISO image. By clicking on the option, a file will be downloaded. Save the file and wait for the download to complete. Then open the download file. This file is the tool that will generate the Windows 10 or Windows 11 ISO image or the current version. To proceed, we need to have a USB drive with sufficient capacity prepared for formatting and installing the image. Accept the terms and conditions and allow to prepare everything. Once the review is complete, you will be given the option to either upgrade your device or create an installation media, which is what we want to do. Select this option and proceed. Next, select the type of Windows you need. In my case, I will choose the option for 32 and 64 bits, since it is compatible with different machines. Click Next and then choose whether you want to create an ISO file or use a USB drive. Since having an 8GB CD or DVD is unlikely, I recommend using an 8GB or larger USB flash drive. Click Next and the program will begin to create the image on your USB drive. This process will take some time, so we'll pause and continue once it's complete. There you go. The drive is created. Complete the process. And now you have your USB drive with the Windows 10 or Windows 11 ISO image or the current version, ready to be used on another device. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for the future videos. Until next time, and thank you very much.